Dion! Where is Dion? Is that you, Dion? Hey, this is our first day here at White Pass, and we just came from Whistler, you know, so we're a little bit prepped for this deal. But we get to this place, and there's just like 4 or 6 inches of fresh powder snow. Let's ski up to Dion here and see what Dion has to say about the situation. Dion, we were just examining the fresh powder and what's going on here. Yeah? Oh, let's take a look around here.
The fresh tracks off the other side of the mountain.
The other side of the mountain is where the new ski place is going to be.
Someone's been skiing up there. This morning. Yeah,
they probably I saw snowmobile tracks through the trees there. Yeah. But boy, this place is just so nice. We're going to go ripping down the backside of this place here. And this is the first run here. And when you get to White Pass, there are the boys. Nice and powder. Whoosh! Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. That track thingy. Oh my! Oh, whoa! Oh, there's quail. Joe wanted to do paradise here, which this is paradise. Let's take a look at paradise. Maybe we'll go ahead and we'll knock this out. You want to do some paradise over here, boys? Come on, let's do it for the camera. Stop farting around. Yeah, you. Yeah. Let it rip, gentlemen. There goes Joe. Here comes Dion. Dion's about ready to point him downhill for us. Ah, the nice powder. We cut some first tracks through this stuff right here. On your left, Dion. Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Very nice. Very nice, very nice.
Yeah, my legs are waking up more.
All right. Let's
see how much powder was on that quail?
Yeah.
That would look deep. Look deeper than that, Ron.
Let's take a look down this backside of this thing here. Main Street with the fresh powder. Woo. Here come the boys enjoying their fresh powder. Wee wee. Oh.
Just a little bit of powder.
Just a little bit.
It is good for your line, yeah. Oh, the snowmobile, yeah.
Oh, maybe they're gonna open up that lift for us there. Go catch Joe, man. He's way ahead of you there, buddy.
Oh, Joe's gone.
All right, let's go for a little run.
Let's see where this guy's going. Watch out.
Let's see if we can catch the snowmobile. Booted, boy. There's Joe. Dion! Dion, he goes for the black diamond. See how good we're feeling today. Maybe I'll bring you down the black diamond. And this right here is the black diamond. This is waterfall. So, a little fluffy today, kind of nice actually. Here comes Dion. Dion will show us exactly how to do this. There goes Joe.
Oh, there goes the Joe, yeah.
We must catch Joe. You gonna go?
I will go, yeah.
You go?
Let me...
Try not to fucking take you out there, buddy. We will follow the tracks of Dion. Whoa. A little speed going here. Woo. Yeah, behind you.
The France, how are you?
Behind here. The Fatherland! Oh, well that was run number 2 at White Pass. What a beautiful day. It's like Bluebird here. It's amazing. Anyways, we'll get back with you.